So, good day everyone. Our topic is about the material self. So now I will discuss the learning outcome and the introduction of our topic. So let's go. And guys, magtitikang tayo na hit learning outcomes lanay bago kita mag-post ng introduction. So the first one is the association of self and possession. So ang meaning ito is that for example, ako sa mga tao nga mahilig gamit tas karagpit mga branded. So dirit nakikita dat pa nga dat pagkatao darahit ka mahilig natin it mga branded, mga luxury na gamit. So shit dida nga nare-recognize kita it ibang tao nga awin ni hiyaw mahilig hit mga sugas-sugahin. So shit an association of self and possession. So guys, ang ikaduha naman is role of consumer culture to self and identity. Like for example, kita mahilig kita yung mga branded na gamit. So di kita nagiging kilala nga way dara kay kita is mahilig kita like for example iPhone, mga branded na mga bado. So di kita kasi nagiging simbolo nga na kita is social ba kita kaya dara kay mahilig kita magamit ng mga marahalan branded. So asset yan, role of consumer culture to self and identity. And the next one is material causes. Causes of material niyan. So ini hiya guys, example ini is kita may isang tao nga mahilig hit mga bagay nga mahal, hindi rin naman kailangan nga para lang may paipahit ibang tao na dirit magpamayabang na parang talaga po ipakita nga may net kapasidad nga makapalsugahin na magmukhang panlagata social ba siya yan causes of materialism. Yes, for the go. Sunod naman is impact of materialism and consumerism on the self. Ini is for example is hit ako pero may ko gabag o nga gadget pero may ko korag may ako bago pero nga papalitan ba tas ko naman nawawara na interest ng mga gamit bisan kung grada mo init may nakapalibot na mga gadget sa ano mga gadget may ako na so nawawara na gana ba like for example di na pa ako kontento at buhay. So asyit ko nagkakamay din insecurity or stress asyit siguro. So asyit nga wala nang ganit nga tanan kay kuwang ka na anit nga kung nawara ka natin sarili. So asyit anin ko impact of materialism and consumerism on the self. So the next one is last one na niya guys. Last one guys is appraise oneself based on the material self. So sample ini is kailangan natin adman niya halaga ito sa mga tao is di rin nagbe-base kung ano tat mayda or kung ano tat pagmamayari kundi nagbe-base siya hit ang na pagkatao or ugalit sa tao. So asyit yan appraise oneself based on the material self. So sinagad na nga ito ang introduction na kita pabasa ko pala anay kay di ko memorize. So mga pasensya lang babasa ko pala guys, pumatik ako bisan kung direct fluent on English babasa ko. So let's start the introduction guys. We are living in a world of sell and shopping free. We are given a wide array of product to purchase, from a simple set of spoon and fork to owning a restaurant. Almost anywhere, including digital space, we can find promotion of product purchase. Product advertisement are suggestive of making us feel better or look good. Part of us wants to have that product. What makes us want to have those products are connected with who we are, what we want to have, and already possess is related to ourselves. In Built 1988 stated that we regard possession are part of ourselves. We are what we have and what we possess. There is a direct link between self-identity with what we have and possess. our wanting to have and possess as a connection with another aspects of the life that called the material self. So asya it. So explain ko tiya, may pitko tayo nga explanation. So nagbasa-basa. Hindi nagbasa-basa. Click pa natin basa yun, di ba? Sa nakatang introduction. Yan na guys. So kapag kita is mahilig kita mga gamit nga mga branded, Sweet Gadget, Bado, mga pen shop, iPhone, Pro Max, Polypaid. Pero kung tutuusin talaga is kung karga namit nga simple la, like I mean, mahilig kahit mga marahalin ba nga gamit, pero gawin lang maging simple la. Tapos din ang karga nga ipakita namin nga kung ka moderno, social. Kung la talaga, mas importante nga mas importante may mga practical na gamit kung kinakailangan din kaysa na mahit na igahambugla nim para latim status. So asitan kandidahan introduction in sosogan. So siya tanakon ko sana kahit hindi ka may new learning na may baro na series. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, I'm the reporter for Lesson 1 Components of the Material Self. So, the material self, according to William James, primarily is about our bodies, clothes, intermediate family, and home. We are deeply affected with these things because we have put much investment of ourselves to them. So, nasugay William James, material self daw ay bahagi tatong pagkatao kasi nga may body, clothes, and intermediately family and home. Kaya di daw nakikita kung hino kita and kung hino ta at papalagahan. So, may dito pat na components of material self. Una is body. Body is the innermost part of material self. We are directly attached with to this commodity that cannot live without. We strive hard to make sure that the body function well and good. So sugay William James, it body daw. So dapat tapalagahan ta kay di kita nakuha yung kusog nga dapat perming healthy ta at lawas nga dapat permi damain makusig kay para itong sakit malalabanan ta. So di namahan kaduha nama clothes. Clothing is the essential part of material self, and anytime we are going to object into the surface of our body, the fabric and the style of clothes we are bringing since function to the body to which direct effect or attitude and behavior. So nasugari dihi William James it clothes daw na mahalaga naman niya kaya di kita kung paano kita magsulot mga bado kay para itaton kay para di naman makita at private parts kita aton lawas. So right, basta katulong naman intermediate family, what our family do or become affects as we place large investment for our immediate family when we see them as the nearest replica of ourselves. So, nasugad din si William James. Family daw dapat naman maglaan kitahin oras kay dida nakikita kung gaano tayo kasaya pag mahalaga pagmamahalan at ating mga family. Right. Kasi kapat naman home is the earliest mist of our selfhood. Our experience inside the home were recorded and marked on particular parts and things in our home with the it is an extension of self because we can direct connect ourselves. So dididawan kung masyait na didikit na kita at karanasan alaala ngan emosyon sugahit mga things sugahit mga bagay nga adat balay sugahit yasan di ni makikita ani mga memories ang bata ka pa kung nag-inano ka tapos kung ano sugat siya da nga paano nila ko nang pinuan sugat ito siya lang. Di naman last na the more investment of self is given to the particular thing, the more we identify ourselves to it. So we also had the training to collect and process properties. So nasugad dihi William James it mga bagay ko nung bahagi na kuno it aton sarili ngan kapag tinatagan tahin oras nagiging konektado kirita sugahit mga gamit na cellphone bado o mga yasan dida nakikita kung hino kirita ngan kung ano it mahalaga at siya na po.
So, good day everyone. I'm John Albert Dalimpapas, and today I will present what is materialism. So, nature and role of possessions. Material possessions provide several effect on the individual, whether it is personal, intellectual, or emotional. Varied motivates agitate the individual to pursue more and amass more of the money, gadgets, vehicles, jewelry, and like regardless of their realistic needs. So material possessions are considered as an extension of one's personal and social aspects. For instance, you would sometimes hear people say a particular dress or accessory brings out your personality, or how certain possessions are considered as your family treasure. So material possessions ko mga bagay nga pagmamayari natin, so kahit kwarta, cellphone, bado, alahas, tapos iba pa nga mga gamit. So nakakaapekto hinit ating hit ating sarili, hit ating ugali or damdamin, at kung paano kit kukalawan hit ibang tao. So yun din madalas nating magkaroon ng mas damo pa nga gamit bisan ito di rin na makailangan. So nasa Levi Strauss 1965 also emphasized that possessions do not just have value, they are not merely economic commodities. They are also vehicles and instruments for realistic of another order. They reflect power, influence, social status, emotional, and sympathy. So, nasuga ko Levi Strauss nga atong pagmamayari kuan hindi lang may halagit kwarta. So ipakikita daman niya nga ating katayuan hit lipunan or kapangyarihan at damdamin. So halimbawa may kuan duduha nga mag-classmate nawagan hirahin tag 500. So ano sa mayaman, tapos ano sa naman mahirap. So mas dakan mahalaga hit mahirap ang 500 kay Tapos, ipinakikita hiya nga, iba-iba halagit bagay, depende hit sitwasyon hit sa nga tao. So, that's all. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. I'm John Alex Doring, and today I will discuss the concept of self-gift. And there are three factors that reveal how self-gifts are reflection of an individual's materialism. So, number one, materialism is often associated with self-centeredness. Self-centeredness means prioritizing the self while showing evident lack of empathy on the plate of others. So when we say plate of others, problema it ibang nga tao. Tapos nasuga didaan number one nga, mas inuuna ko nun itim sarili kaysa problema it ibang nga tao. Like for example, may dati haramay hing kwarta nga darahit ira problema, wara nim pahagma, bisa may nim kwarta dara kay minim karayag palitan nga gamit para itim sarili. So I should didaan impapahiwatig hit number one. Number two nama, materialists define success according to how much wealth and property was amassed. They usually utilize position in self-definition. They have the evident tendency to define success in terms of quality and amount on one's acquired fortune. So nasuga dida number 2 nga, matatawag ka daw nga successful pag may daan na ni mga luxury like kotse, balay, mga gamit nga na pundar nim nga galing itim kasig, like matatawag ka na kuno nga successful. So number 3 nama, materialists believe that happiness results from the relationship between buying and consumption. Self-gift can be source of intense happiness among materialists. It provides them with very positive emotion. Self-gift prevent negative emotion such as depression, emptiness, and sadness, as it provide therapy to materialist. So nasuga dila number 3 nga, ipagpalit ko na yung gamit para hitim sarili, nakakatanggal usa ko nito yang nakakatanggal hit stress, mga problema, like nahimo ko parang therapy na ko nun hiya para mahuwas itim problema. So ashit hiya. And then the next topic will be discussed by my classmate. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's talk about the lesson 3, the pursuit of happiness, and explore the questions. Can money buy happiness? Here's an example of this main point. Main idea, the lesson discuss the relationship between money and materialism and happiness according to researchers. Cover it all in 1985 and Levinson 1962. Money itself cannot buy happiness, but it can buy things or experiences that contribute to happiness. The next that then present result from several studies about materialism, the tendency to value positions and well-being, and how it affect happiness and well-being experiences versus position, by Van Boven in 2005. People are generally happier when they spend money on life experiences like travel or learning rather than on material possession like gadget or clothes. Experiences tend to create lasting memories and emotional satisfaction. Number 2 is Materialism and Well-Being by Wang et al. On 2017. Being overall materialistic can harm psychological health. It reduces satisfaction of emotional needs, lowers subject well-being, and increase depression. So that's it. So number 3, materialism and self-esteem in 2018, Jiang et al. On 2015, and Nerm et al. In 2010. Research shows that lower class college students who struggle with self-esteem often becomes more materialistic. As a way to compensate their feeling on inadequacy. So, there's an example. So, maraming sabi na hindi kayang bilhin ng pera ang kaligayahan. Ngunit sa totoo lang, malaki pa rin ang nagawa ng pera para maging magaan at masaya ang ating buhay. So, halimbawa, kung may pera tayo, nakakabili tayo ng mga masarap na pagkain, makakapagbakasyon o makakatulong sa pamilya. At lahat ng ito ay nabibigay ng kasiyahan. Pero, ayon sa mga pag-aaral ni na Covert in 1985 at Levinson 1962, ang perang ginastos sa karanasan ay mas nagbibigay ng pangmatagalang kaligayahan kaysa sa perang ginastos sa material na bagay. Isipin na lang natin na si Ana ay isang estudyante na mahilig bumili ng bagong gamit o cellphone, damit at sapatos sa una. Sa una, masaya siya, pero kapag may lumalabas na bago, nawala agad ang saya niya. Samantalang kaibigan niyang si Mai ginamit ang ipon para makapunta sa hiking kasama ang pamilya. Kahit matagal na iyon, tuwing naalala ni Mai ang karanasan, muling bumabalik ang saya dahil naisip niya yung nakaraang bakasyon nila. That's all.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the lesson 3, the pursuit of happiness, which is the number 4 and 5. So number 4, materialism and self-concept prove how insecurity motivates people to work so hard for material possession, as their same wealth become their source of security. Kumbaga, sa mga tao hindi feel insecure, kumbaga, for example, ginihimo niya rin insecurity siya, insecurity, ginihimo niya rin nga motivation para magtrabaho perahin mas maupay or to toward their goal or their position. So parang when they feel insecure or insurance their sarili, they find things that can make them feel comfortable or boost their confidence, like owning things or having brand new gadgets, clothes, cars, and money. So through iton parang nagiging nafe-feel niya nga comfortable hira, and it can boost the monetary confidence. So hence the absence of this object means a great degree of emptiness and the feeling of deficiency. Kumbaga, when they lose this position, they feel empty, incomplete, or not good enough. Kumbaga, for example, may da ko goal habuhay, goal ko sumakses, or ko nala goal ko maging maupay umuyas ha football. So ini parang goal ko ya. So parang kapag diri ko ini makamit or ma-achieve, parang feel ko nga may kulang or incomplete or not good enough iton nga usa nga bagay. So celebrity worship, materialism, and compulsive buying were significantly related to our self-concept and to lower level of well-being. Kumbaga, these studies show that people who focus too much on money, brands, or celebrities tend to have lower self-esteem and feel less happy overall. Kumbaga, for example, ito sa nga nga tao, mas focus siya kwarta, branded nga or ngahin celebrities. So a tendency parang it can lower their self-esteem, and it can make them feel less happy, or parang nagiging cause na damahiyahit pagiging diri malipayan nito sa mga tao dara kay mas focus malayhid kwarta. So the last one is number 5, which is materialism and lack of engagement mean losing one's ability to empathize with others as they become callous to other people's needs. So kumbaga giging self-centered na hiya, which is when someone to focus on money or possession, they can lose empathy or the ability to understand, care for others. Kumbaga, when you are too much focused on money, parang nawawarayan ka care hit ibang nga tao, or parang mas priority ba damanim din hitim sarili is, or ano pa doon, parang nagiging self-centered ka na nga ni. So their ability to accumulate possessions separate them from others who they consider as inferior. So dinit materialistic nga tao, iisip niya nga mas bitter hiya iton nga usa nga tao dara kay mas damo may tiya bagay nga na-acquired, or mas damo tiya sa lapi. So parang giniisip niya nga mas mamapaihiya hiton nga tao dara kay damo naman niya na-achieve. So parang hiya napahirayo hiya hiton. So the ultimate question is, how do we really experience happiness? About who we are and what we have in its genuine sense. Kumbaga din parang di asking question na. So materialism, it can lead people to chase possession for happiness. Parang materialism ginlilidlit niya tao to chase happiness, or ginkukan lit niya purposes lit niya ito sa nga bagay para maging masaya, pero it can cause naman of emptiness or sadness and insecurity, because the happiness does not come from what we own, but from understanding of ourselves, connecting with others, and being content. Kumbaga, pagiging happy is diri mga bagay nga may ada ta, which is hindi dahil pagkilalit at sarili, and pagkikipagkapwa hit ibang tao, tapos pagiging kontento hit at sarili, or pagiging kontento at sarili kung ano may ada tayo na. Shala.